installing of a new door. And this one came with the whole threshold. I put one in with a threshold before, but she only bought the door and they gave her the threshold as well. Yep, they gave her the threshold as well. She might not use it, she might just use the door, because if she put this threshold in here, then she would have to do a lot of cutting into this wall. And that's not going to happen. So it might just be door install only. Yeah, it might just be door install only. Screen door is going to get replaced as well. And you can see the door is rotting down at the bottom. This handle is old. The only thing that's good is the deadbolt. So she only took measurements for the door. So what we're going to do is put this door in here without using the threshold. So she'll just have a new threshold that won't be used because those measurements were not taken. Absolutely not. They were not taken.